Hey guys, here at the Tackle Box in South Point, Ohio. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about the new Loomis GCX. I apologize for the ambient noise. There's a lot of cars and stuff. There's a grocery store right over here, so you're probably hearing a buggy rolling right down the parking lot. Anyway, first and foremost, again, up here at my favorite tackle shop in the whole world, and that's the Tackle Box in South Point, Ohio, and they just got a brand new shipment of the Loomis GCX in, and I want to take this opportunity to give you guys a little bit of my opinion on the first glance at this thing, first time getting my hands on it. And I'm going to talk to you the differences between the E6X, which is the lower price point rod that we've come to know from Loomis, comparing that to the new GCX. So right off the bat, just looking at this thing a little differently than the other one, we're getting some red wrap here. The section of epoxy is a little longer. Again, you're not getting the skeleton fish on these rods anymore. You're not getting that on the NRX Plus or anything else. I think they're moving away from that. You have a two-piece butt section here, different collar cork going to a really fine detailed cork here. You're getting a Fuji grip. I'm not really sure why they didn't put the CI4 Plus on here, just like they did the NRX Plus. Probably something to do with price point, who knows. I wish they would have done that. It does have the same Fuji grip that the E6X appears to have. They're both basically the same. Let me get my camera in here to focus in here on here for you. You can see there should be the same reel seat. The foregrip there, the fore section of the grip is similar. Look fairly, just about the exact same. You're getting a new guide train on the GCX that you didn't have on the NRX Plus, or I'm sorry, the E6X. And the reason I said the NRX Plus is that this has a technology on it just like the NRX Plus called Multitaper Design, which it has micro tapers going up at the blank, which gives you some better accuracy, casting accuracy, gives you a lot more sensitivity and things. And again, there is a brand new guide series on this GCX, different from the E6X. Ten guides including the tip. A hook keeper there in the GCX is in the same exact location as the E6X. So the new guide series here for this rod is manufactured by C-Guide. It's called the Hero 1 series. And again, you can see a little bit of a difference here. I'll hold the E6X up here so you guys can see the difference. We'll just compare them side by side. See, the C-Guide has a little bit of a forward slant to it, whereas the one on the E6X are more perpendicular to the rod blank. Again, you are getting a red wrap up to that. Wow, sorry. You're getting a red wrap up to the first stripper guide, then it's black past that, just like on the NRX Plus. All in all, guys, I feel, and again, this is my absolute first impression here. I haven't got to fish them. But just picking one up here at the Tackle Box, because again, this is the first time I've been able to get my hands on them. Didn't go to ICAST, but in my opinion, they feel roughly the same weight. I wish they would have went with the CI4 reel seat like they did on the NRX Plus. I kind of like the red better than the lime green. But yeah, again, you're getting the Fuji grip. Nice foregrip here. The GCX in the same fashion that we normally have. Both of these again are the 854 CJWR models that are the exact same rods, the E6X I have and this one as well. So again, my initial thoughts, very first time picking them up. I haven't fished them, so take that for what it's worth. I feel like they are, they feel similar to the E6X. I'm not gonna lie to you. They're about the same weight. The guide train may give you a little bit more casting distance. That's yet to be seen. The multi-taper is going to be an upgrade for sure. This is definitely going to be something that's going to find its way in my boat, I'm sure of it. So guys, if you guys are interested in the GCX or want to know anything more about it that I could possibly tell you, drop a link below or come up here to the Tackle Box in South Point, Ohio and hold them for yourself. I'm sure you'll probably leave with one. So guys, again, I feel like they're similar to the E6X. You're getting multi-taper, new guide train. Other than that, I feel like they're the same rod. So if you're interested, head up to the tackle box. Guys, if you can, get out there and lean on them. We'll see you next time on another line.